Hey guys, there's nothing worse than having a stainless steel appliance and having a bunch of fingerprints and smudges, as you can see on mine. I do have two teenage boys that live in the home, and they are not the best at keeping my refrigerator clean. So I actually go ahead and I use this stainless steel cleaner. It actually fights fingerprints. It kind of helps to eliminate them. And so I want to go ahead and kind of show you how to use it. Basically, you're going to just spray it on like so. And then you're going to take your cloth, whatever it may be, and you're going to just wipe it clean. It does look like it's kind of greasy at first, but what that does is it prevents from fingerprints actually staying on your appliances. So I wanted to go ahead and show that to you. Because if you're like me, a mama at home, and your kids like to get fingerprints all over everything like mine do, definitely recommend the stainless steel cleaner by Weiman. Weiman? How do you say it? Not sure how you say it. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it all off and show you what this looks like, because you will see that all of the ugly, nasty, gross fingerprints are gone. And it doesn't take a lot at all, and not a lot of scrubbing. I left a little piece there. I didn't like it. Okay, there you go.